Guys, thanks for watching the Our Learning Zone. So if you really like my videos, please like and subscribe my channels. So what are we going to teach today? So on today's topic we will teach about the exponential functions. So what is the exponential function and the properties, and so the rules of the exponential functions. So first of all, I will show you guys about the exponential function. So this is the functions and fx like normal. With the exponential functions, you have a power of x. So this is the exponential function. So where there's some rules for the exponential function. As for exponential functions, which the a is must be bigger than 0. All right, and the a is not equal to 1. Alright, this is the rules of the exponential functions, where your a can be maybe fx equal to 0.5x. It can be the functions, alright, or maybe 3x plus 1. Alright, so these are all the exponential functions. So on today's, I will more focus about teaching about the rules of the exponential functions. Actually, there are plenty of rules or the properties of the exponential functions. So the first things that I will show you guys is like the ax, all right, ay equal to ax plus y. So if you see the question like this, you must know the properties of it. You must know how to solve it. Like for example, I will have the 3x plus, no, and then this is 3 as well. And this is 2 power of 2. Alright, so in this case, you just have to add it up the functions. So it will become 3x plus 2. Alright, this is very simple. This is the first rules. When the base is the same, alright, you just add this thing, add with the power, just sum it up together. Alright, so the next one is when it comes with like this. Alright, sorry, this is a, and this is y. Alright, so the properties for this is the one that on the top, all right, on the top, you minus the one at the bottoms. All right, so I'll give you an examples. I'll give you the 2x over 2 power of 3. So can you guys give me the answers? Yeah, I think you guys have good at it. I think you guys should know the answers. This is very straightforward and simple. So this is the answers. All right. So this is the second rules. All right. The second properties. So we go further. For the third one will be the ax. All right, with the power of y outside. All right. So in this case, you have to just these two, you multiply together, so you will become xy. All right, so where's the difference that this have this thing, all right, bracket, all right, when the bracket outside power of y, so you have to sum it up together, all right, times together, all right, multiply it, all right, so you get this one. Okay, I'll give you an examples, which is the the 3. All right, so this is 2 by y x. So can you get the answers for me? just have to remember that these two you just sum, the base is the same. Alright, but then you have to sum the power up. It's not sum, sorry, it's forgive me, this is multiply. So you just have to multiply the power in here and multiply with the power the outside the bracket. Alright, so you get 2x. Alright, that's very simple. Alright, so I proceed. This is the third one, and we will go for the fourth one. So when you have the functions of a, b, alright, and power of x, can you imagine what the answers might be? Alright, the answer, you should have different space. You just need to sum, you just multiply inside. Alright, multiply. This is, you have to memorize it. This is base 1, base 1. You multiply inside. Alright, so you get ax, bx. Alright, it's very straightforward. Alright, so when I have 3x power of 2, can you get the answers for me? Yes, you are right. So it's 3, 2x squared. Right? And you get 9x squared. So it's very simple. Right? So you just have to be very clear about the rules, that in case there's a bracket, so you have to multiply in every for the power 2. Right? So the next is when it comes, it's the same rules actually. If you can able to understand it, it shouldn't be any problems. Right? So can you give the answers for me for this one? I think you are right, right? So this is the power of 1, this is power of 1. In the, if outside the bracket, you have to multiply in, so you get ax over bx. Alright, okay, for this I will give you a difficult one. When you have 2 over 3. Alright, so the outside will be the 3x. Can you get the answers for me? So it's 2, 3x divided by 3, 3x. It's very simple. Yeah, you just have to multiply in everything. Alright, next. So when it's very special when you have the a negative x, what can you get for this one? When the value is negative, alright, you have to turn it become positive, and it will add the bottoms. So you divide 1 divided by the things. The things you will have to move it to the bottoms. Alright, when there's 3 power of negative 2x. So for this thing, you put at under the 1. So for this thing, you turn it into positive. For things here, it is negative, but you turn it to positive, so you get 3 over 2x. This is the very simple rules. Alright, I give another one. So when you have power of negative x, what do you get? Yes, you get 1 over 4x. Alright, it's very simple. When the case of you have the a power of x over y. Alright, this is a bit advanced level. So how are you going to solve it? Yes, these things, alright, you can remain. And this thing, when you divide by y, you have to make it to become like this. All right, so you just square root it. When it's like this, you remain the ax. For the y at the bottom, you have to square root it by the value of y. All right, so when you have 3 over x over 2, power of x over 2. So what you will get for this one? So you will remain the 3 and the x. 3 power of x. 3 power of x will remain, and 2. This is very simple, right? So you just have to, this one remain, and this one bring to outside. Yeah. So the next rules is like the final rules you have to, which you should understand before you go for maybe exams or anything. When you have the a power of 0, for whatever you have, you get 1. All right. If you have a 19th power 0, you will get 1 as well. You have a 99. I'm sorry, 88 power of 0, and you will get 1 as well. All right, no matter what the number is, when your power of 0 and you get 1, when whatever number, when you have power of 1, the answers that you get is always get back the 8. All right, when you have 19th power of 1, you will get back 19th. When you have 88 power of 1, and you would, the answer that you get will be get back your 88. So these are the rules for the exponential functions, and I hope you guys can really be understands and able to master it. Yeah. So I think that's it for today's lessons. So if you think my video can help you, please subscribe my channel and for more videos, and comment at below if you request any topic for me to share with you. So thanks for watching. Bye.